Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is my passion. Today, friends, I am going to show you the overview of my garden in the early December. Today is the 2nd December and 2020, and I am showing you the garden. Behind you can see my rose garden. 1 month back, I have uploaded some video on how to prune the plants, how to fertilize the plants of the roses, and now you can see within 1 month you can see the results, and another month you will see the huge growth in my rose garden. You can see, and this is all miniature roses. If you are starting your garden, you can start with miniature roses or floribunda. They are the best for starting. And we have lots of Taj Mahal, some other varieties, and Double Delight, yellow color, different colors. We have around 50 colors of roses in my garden. Different, all are English roses, and some miniature floribunda or Taj Mahal or single different color varieties. And this is the starting of my blooming, and in a month you will see there will be a lot more, at least double or thrice these flowers you can see in my garden. And flower size is around 4 inch in diameter, and you can see the flower stays for a long time, and huge beautiful flowering in my garden. And I'll show you later on, I'll show you the updates of my garden also. Now I show you some of this petunia. Beautiful petunia just started blooming, and they are the very small plant. We have planted in some 10-inch flat pot. These are the diameter is 10 inch and height is 6 inch only, and this is only in garden soil and compost. Later on we'll add some liquid mustard cake fertilizer. Every week we'll add liquid mustard cake fertilizer and water it properly, and you have to keep these plants in full sunlight. If you want hundreds and hundreds of flowers from each pot, you have to properly put it in sunlight. And you can see lots of hanging baskets we have prepared for this season, and hundreds of these hanging baskets we are making ready with this petunia. Now I show you some of these seedlings here. They are aster. You can see beautiful asters here around in 3-inch pot only. These are pansy, these butterfly plants, and 3-inch pot petunia. And these are some of this French marigold, hundreds of French marigold. You can see lots of we have already planted in my garden, and these are all dahlia and Inca. The lots of we have planted in my garden, and lots we have planted in 8-inch pot. 8-inch pot are the best for Inca growing, and these are seedlings of dahlia, and they are beautiful flowers of dahlia. Now I show you, these are the plants of some celosia we have to plant in my garden. Already we have planted lots, and chrysanthemum also lots of we have planted in my garden. And here are some of the salvia, and yet to be planted in my garden. Now this is my garden area. We have already hundreds and hundreds of plants we have planted, different marigold or petunia or zinnia, different types of flowers plants we have grown, and in a month you will see the results. Now I show you my chrysanthemum plants in my terrace garden, where I have planted around more than 500 pots of this chrysanthemum, and more than 100 varieties of pom-pom and some giant varieties of chrysanthemum. They started already, the buds you can see in each and every plant. You can see the lots of buds in each stem. You can see at least 5 to 6 buds. And if you prune it regularly, you have to trim it properly, you can get at least 100 stems from each plant, and each stem you can get 5 buds. You can see hundreds of more than 400 500 flowers from each plant. So this is all nice chrysanthemum. Here are some Inca marigold, and we have done around 1.5 months back. We have grown the cuttings of Inca in 1.5 months back. Now they are started blooming, around 5-inch diameter of flower just started blooming, and in a month you will see at least 10 to 12 flowers in each stem you can see in plant. And here are some all the strata of my garden. Here 1 2 3 4 5 layers. First layer is from the chrysanthemum, second layer is note, third is a marigold, fourth is from of this duranta, and fifth is some pentas, and sixth is some acalypha. Acalypha is some copper leaf plant, and this is the hedges, and you can see the borders of my garden. Beautiful look. This is 6th layer look of my garden, of my, you can see the hedges. Now I show you the entrance of my college gate. Here the lots of coleus. I have more than 100 varieties of coleus, and you can see the colors and the leaves of the coleus here. and more than 200 pots we have the coleus, and lots of Inca variety in some giant marigold and some African marigold, different types of marigold, and one layer is coleus and one layer is marigold. In the entrance gate, that is the pavement area, you can see the coloration in my coleus, and they started beautiful. If you are unable to grow flower plants, you can grow coleus. They will add lots of color in your garden. So this is also look nice if you grow this coleus. And up to May you can get leaves, foliage color leaves from there, and I'll show you the later on some part of my other parts of my garden also. So this is all. So hope you enjoyed the video, and this is all from my today. Today is the 2nd December, and lots of bloom are yet to come, and they have already planted lots of seedlings here from different, at least 20 to 30 seedlings, varieties of seasonal flower plants here. These are all petunia, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice.